You don't get rich because you got lucky. You get rich because of your habits. Studies show that over 85% of self-made millionaires built their wealth through daily financial behaviors. Change the way you think and act about money, and you can transform your future. Today, I'll share 7 money habits backed by research. Real-world examples and proven results that can make you rich. Are you ready to change your financial game? Let's dive in and start building your wealth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Digital Connect, and I break down money, investing, and wealth-building strategies that actually work. Now, before we jump in, make sure you stay with me till the very end. Habit number 7 is the one almost every millionaire practices but very few people talk about. It could be the single most important wealth hack you'll ever hear. So, you want to build wealth? Let me tell you about habit 1. Pay yourself first. This is the golden rule of personal finance. Before anything else, save and invest a portion of your income. The best-selling book, The Richest Man in Babylon, insists on saving at least 10% of every dollar earned. And guess what? Experts agree. A Fidelity study shows that saving at least 15% for retirement can make you a millionaire. Think about it. If you earn $1,000 and save $100 consistently, you're building wealth before spending a dime. So, are you ready to pay yourself first? Habit number 2. Live below your means. Here's the truth. Most people go broke not because they don't earn enough, but because they spend too much. This is called lifestyle inflation. Every time income goes up, spending goes up just as fast. But millionaires flip the script. Thomas Stanley's research in The Millionaire Next Door found that the majority of millionaires live in modest homes, drive average cars, and avoid showing off wealth. They avoid showing off wealth. The lesson? Don't let your expenses rise as fast as your income. Drive your current car a little longer, live in a house you can truly afford, and invest the difference. That's how ordinary incomes turn into extraordinary wealth. Guess number 3 habit? I'm about to share why building multiple streams of income is a game changer. And that is the number 3 habit. Build multiple streams of income. One income stream is risky. If you lose your job, your finances can collapse. That's why the average millionaire has 3 to 7 streams of income, according to CNBC. Think full-time jobs, investments, rental income, or side businesses. Even Warren Buffett makes billions from more than just Berkshire Hathaway. Start small, maybe a side hustle or investing in dividend stocks. Over time, those extra streams create financial security and long-term wealth. So, what income stream are you starting with? Habit number 4. Consistent investing. Ever heard of compound interest? Albert Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world for a reason. Imagine investing just $10 a day or $300 a month into an index fund. With a 10% annual return, in 30 years, that could grow to nearly $600,000. Double that to $20 a day, and you're looking at over $1 million. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. The earlier you start, the more powerful that compound growth becomes. Research shows starting at 25 and stopping at 35 can lead to greater wealth than waiting until 35 and investing for 30 years. That's the magic of consistency. Start now and watch your future flourish. Next, track and budget your money. Here's a fact. What gets measured gets managed. Tracking your money is key. A 2019 survey found that 70% of budgeters feel more in control of their finances. Wealthy people know where every dollar goes because every dollar has a job. You don't need to complicate it. Use apps like Mint or YNAB or even the 65-25-10 rule as a starting point. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. When you know where your money is going, you're in control. And control leads to wealth. Let me drop some knowledge on you about habit number 6, continuous learning. Financial literacy can be the game changer between being broke and being rich. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day, and Bill Gates takes think weeks just to dive into books. A study by Thomas Corley found that 88% of millionaires spend at least 30 minutes daily on self-improvement. Books, podcasts, online courses, whatever it takes to grow your mind. The more you learn, the more opportunities you see and the better decisions you make. Invest in your education. It's the greatest investment you can ever make. And lastly, build valuable networks. Your network is your net worth. Did you know that 85% of career success comes from personal connections? Millionaires get it. They surround themselves with mentors and ambitious peers. If your circle only complains about money, guess what? You'll mirror that mindset. But when you connect with business owners and investors, your thinking expands. Attend events, join mastermind groups, and spark conversations online. Remember, relationships create opportunities that money alone can't buy. Let's wrap this up with a quick recap. Pay yourself first, always. Live below your means to save more. Build multiple streams of income for security. Invest consistently, even if it's small. Track and budget your money diligently. Never stop learning. Knowledge is power. Build valuable networks. Connections matter. Wealth isn't built overnight, it's built daily. These 7 habits may seem simple, but over time, they compound into massive results. Remember, getting rich is about discipline, not luck. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 habits are you already practicing? And which one do you need to start today? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'll be responding to as many as I can. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Until next time, keep building wealth, one habit at a time.